Welcome to English for Beginners, Unit 10, or Lesson 10. And in this lesson, you will discuss about the kitchen implements and toiletries. Let's get started. You're watching learnenglish.i.a.s. I am Imamali Safari. First we're going to talk about the kitchen implements. This is grater, peeler, whisk, cutting board or chopping board. Cutting board is an American word, but chopping board is an English word. This is kitchen knife, scissors, can opener or tin opener. Can opener is an American word and tin opener is an English word. It means that we can use the can opener in America and tin opener in Britain. Bottle opener, corkscrew, wooden spoon, spatula, ladle, toaster, microwave, kettle, dinnerware is an American English word, so you can use it, or people use this in America. And crockery is an English word, people use it in Britain. Plate, bowl, cup, mag, silverware, or cutlery. So cutlery is an English word and silverware is an American word. Knife, fork, spoon, chopsticks. Silverware is an American word or the United States, right? But the cutlery, which means cutlery, is a UK word. This is a knife, and this is fork, and spoon, chopsticks. Saucepan. This is frying pan. Wok. Colander. Blender. Rolling pin. Motor. Pestle and motor. Sieve, or this is a spatula. You can call it in US word, or spatula is a US word and fistula is a UK word. Now let's talk about the toiletries and bathroom equipment. Let's talk about the toiletries and bathroom equipment. Shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, razor, shaving foam, shower gel. This is a razor, shaving foam, and shower gel. Deodorant, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, dental floss, sponge or sponge, face wash, toilet paper. This is the lesson of Unit 10. This was the lesson for Unit 10. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. If you want this lesson, please find the link in the description below, and you can download its PDF directly from the site. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Keep practicing. Make your English perfect.